Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have a slightly different video for you. As you may have heard, we have got a fantastic recruiting promotion going. Now, I don't want people to think that this is about having to run a business, because it's not. It's about joining a creative group of people who enjoy crafting and enjoy sharing ideas, and if people want to run a business alongside that, then that's absolutely fantastic. But there is no requirement to run a business. So the offer is during July and August, instead of the usual joining offer, for just £99 or €129, you can choose an amazing £155 worth of products. That's an extra £25. Or, if you're in Europe, €207, which is an extra £32. That's just £99 or €129. Free postage and packing, so your box will arrive with lots of goodies for if you do want to join and run a business. Then you'll get some items that will be useful for setting up a business, but you don't have to use them. So that's, as I say, an extra €32 or an extra £25, all for £99 or €129. I mean, it's just amazing. But that's not all. It's the promotion is called Extra Extra because you're getting extra product in your starter kit, but you're also, the following month, so if you join in July, at the beginning of August, you will get a coupon code that is worth £8 or €12, and you can use that towards your next demonstrator order. Now remember, your demonstrator orders are already discounted. You get, at a starter level, you get 20% off net off your products. So this is just another £8 or €12 off your first order. So that covers, more than covers, your postage. So you're getting free postage and some more free. You have until the end of October to use the code, so plenty of time. It means that you can order from the new autumn-winter catalogue, which will be out very soon. I can't believe we're already talking about autumn and winter. We've only just hit summer in the UK, but there we go. So there you are, that's the deal. But why would you want to join my team? Because there are lots of teams out there. I have a really lovely group of, it is ladies, but we would love to have men as well. We are spread around the whole of the UK and into Europe. I run Facebook Lives so that we can keep in touch. Those of us who are more local get together and have team meetings. But we do replicate those on Facebook. So long as you're on Facebook, you will be as included in the team as anybody else. We try and meet up at Stamping Up events like On Stage, which are exclusive to demonstrators. There are also some other team events that we are able to go to that are run by my upline, and she is very happy for my team to go to those as well. But we're a relatively good size group. We're not huge. We're between 15 and 20, depending on where we are in any given period, which means that I have time to work with you if that's what you want, or equally, if you just want to be left to do your own thing, then I'm happy to do that as well. So whatever suits you. As a welcome to my team, I do a little welcome pack, so I thought I would show you what I do. I do a colour swatch for everyone, and it has the new in colours as well as the carryover in colours, and then each of the colour families. These are exclusive to my team. Nobody else gets them. So only my team get these. I don't do videos on how to put them together. I don't share that anywhere. These are just for my team. And I send them with a book ring as well as the tie, so that people can take them off the tie and then put the book ring on. It just saves on postage, because otherwise that's too fat for a large letter, so it just saves on the postage. There's also a welcome card, and of course it's got sunflowers on because my team are the Sparkling Sunflowers, and as ever, it's blank in the moment because I will stamp in there and write a personal message to welcome my new team member when they join. I also make a handmade notebook, so I have made this. It's made out of just ordinary copy paper. A piece of this one is basic grey with some of the Bird Ballad designer series paper on the front, and then the leftover piece covers a bar of chocolate. I'm told everyone likes chocolate. I can't eat it, but you know. So if you do join my team and you can't eat chocolate, let me know and I can send you something else instead. But that's just the offcut from this piece of designer series paper, and then a piece of ribbon. Laminated compensation plan, so people know what the compensation plan is, and a welcome handbook, and this has got lots of information. It's got the statement of the heart at the back, and it's got lots of information in it about how to get hold of me and some just useful tips. So that is my little welcome pack. So I thought you might like to see that. It's just a small, as I say, a small welcome pack. My team do get some incentives if they sell a good amount of stuff, and that includes if they buy a good amount of stuff. So I do gift them free product at various points, and I send them a voucher so they can add those up and choose what they want. So they can either save them up until they've got a lot and then buy one big thing, or they can use put it towards a smaller thing. So there you are. That is my team of Sparkling Sunflowers. This would be your welcome pack. So my question is, who wants this welcome pack? I would be thrilled to welcome you to my team. As I say, we're a really nice little group. We've built some great friendships over the last couple of years. So yeah, it would be great to welcome you as well. I hope you found that interesting. I will be linking below, obviously, to the information on this video, and in that there will be links to some additional information about joining Stamping Up. So there's some frequently asked questions that I cover on my website, as well as what the minimums are, how you can do that, and obviously a link to signing up. So if you are anywhere in the European market and would like to join my team, I would be thrilled to welcome you. And I have a separate handbook for Europe and one for the UK. They are all in English because I speak a very little German and a very little French. So they are in English, but it does mean that you've got the information that is pertinent to your country. So I do have different handbooks depending on where you are in Europe. Thank you very much indeed for spending the time with me today. I know it's a slightly different video, but hey, every now and again, let's throw in something different. Thank you very much indeed. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to come back and see more creative videos, don't forget to subscribe. There's a subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. And if you've got any questions or comments, either leave them below, or you can send me an email just by popping over to my website, and you'll find my email address there. And I would be thrilled to answer any questions you've got about joining my team if you are in Europe. Thank you very much again, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!